Before we begin this video, I just wanted to take the time to say thank you so much for your ongoing support on this channel. And as we approach the holidays, please make sure that you remain safe and enjoy your family, creating memories along the way. This video is the third in the mini series. If you haven't yet done so, please go ahead and watch the previous two videos in the playlist because they're all related to each other. They are interconnected. Step by step, will show you how to make money with mini apps. The first video is about creating the mini app without writing a line of code or without paying thousands of dollars to a developer. The second video in the series is about how to choose the hottest niches that are trending in 2025 and beyond. And then this video that you're watching is going to tie everything together. I also plan to do a bonus video afterwards for the mini series, diving deeper into the AI tools that are making this process even faster. So make sure you hit that notification bell so that you don't miss that particular bonus video. Thanks for being part of this community. I really appreciate you. And please make sure you share these videos with a content creator who needs it. I also invite you to go watch my playlist where you will find a lot of value if you want to make money online or on the YouTube platform. You will thank me later. Now, let's dive right in and get this video started. Again, thank you so very much. And because of the holiday season, I just wanted to say this before I dived into the video. Because my channel is all about you. Not about me, but about you. And that's why it's so important for me to give you holiday wishes, well wishes, I would say. Let's dive in. Today we are finishing our series by unlocking the top secret spots for selling your mini app and cashing in fast. I have successfully bypassed the entire App Store process, no Apple fees, no Google Play fees, no waiting for approval, and I've managed to get my tools directly onto my customers' home screens on their phones, where they can use them every single day. We have spent the last two videos in this series showcasing how to build a mini app and identifying the $1 million niches. But now we have to address the elephant in the room. Do you want to know what that is? Well, none of that hard work matters if your app is just sitting on a digital shelf gathering dust, right? And I don't want you to even think that to actually get an app into someone's hands, you have to go through the grueling process of becoming an Apple developer or paying thousands of dollars in listing fees just to be seen in an app store. If you are having those thoughts, I'm here to tell you that you are wrong. Yeah. Today, I'm revealing the top secret spots and the lazy tech stack that allow you to bypass the traditional technology industry entirely so that you can start cashing in faster than you ever thought possible. We are talking about high conversion storefronts, hidden traffic sources, and the kind of automation that does the heavy lifting while you're out living your life or maybe even sleeping. The first big secret is the hosting reality check, because most people think that they need to go out and buy expensive servers to host an app. But the truth is that since we built this in Canva as a mobile website, Canva is actually providing the hosting for you right away, immediately. You have two paths here, depending on how professional you want your app to look. You can stay on the free path on Canva and use the standard Canva generated link, which is great to use as a lead magnet if you ask me. But if you want to be taken seriously and charge $30 or more, you need to spend about $12 to buy a custom domain that matches your app, the name of your app that is. This one small move changes the entire perception of your product because it makes you look like a high-end software company instead of a DIY project. Once your hosting is set, you need a place for people to actually buy it. And this is where most creators get stuck. You need a storefront that is optimized for speed, because in 2026, if a checkout takes more than 3 seconds, you have already lost the sale. For my social media creators, if you're watching, the secret weapon is definitely the stand store option, because it's built specifically for the mobile user who is clicking the link in your bio. If you are just starting out and you don't want any monthly overhead costs, because Sandstore does charge a fee, then Gumroad would be your best friend because they handle all the global taxes and the digital delivery for you. You don't have to do anything. Gumroad also allows you to collect email addresses, and they also have an affiliate feature where you can have other people selling your mini app for you. How about that? They also have a Discover Marketplace where you can showcase your mini app for others who may be interested. You would use keywords to attract the right audience to your mini app. On either platform, you aren't uploading a massive software file. You are simply delivering a beautiful digital welcome packet that contains the secret link to your Canva mini app, along with the instructions on how to perform that home screen installation trick we talked about in part 1 of this video series. This leads us to the part where you actually get the traffic. And I'm going to share a marketing strategy that is perfect for introverts like myself, or anyone who hates being a salesperson, or just doesn't know how to sell. You don't need a massive advertising budget to make this work. The fastest way to sell a utility app is simply to show exactly how it works. You should record a 15-second clip of yourself actually using the app on your phone. Show the buttons clicking, show the timers moving, and show how easy it is to tap that icon on your home screen. When you post that as a reel or a YouTube short, your caption shouldn't be a sales pitch. It should simply say that you got tired of messy PDFs or losing your travel documents, so you built this tool for yourself. And then you say something else like, if you want to use it too, the link is in my bio or in the description. This works so well because it feels like a life hack rather than a commercial for sale. Once these first few sales start rolling in, you are going to realize that these mini apps are just the foundation of a much bigger digital empire or real estate. To really scale this into a full-time income, you need a proven system. This is exactly why I created the Creator Income Workshop Bundle. It is the unfair advantage that gives you my proven ideas and the advanced marketing strategies that you can use right now, whether to turn one simple app into a recurring revenue stream or how to sell digital products that people actually want to buy. While you're getting that set up, make sure you grab my free ebook as well, 7 Juicy Ways to Monetize Outside of the YouTube AdSense program, because it will show you exactly how to scale these mini apps once you launch them. You don't want to be without these 2 guides. Choose the hot niches, which are the ones that save people time and provides the solution. And the top secret places to host your apps are the ones that make buying as easy as tapping a button. I want you to pick your niche, set up your store today, and get that first link to go live. In our next series, we're going to dive even deeper into the AI tools that are making this process even faster. So make sure you have that notification bell on. And if you got any value from this video, please hit that subscribe button as well. I also kindly ask you to like the video so YouTube can push this content for other creators like you who want to make money outside of the AdSense program. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.